Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Thank you. In my hands I have the Casio Edifice EFR 556. Beautiful looking watch with focus on the stopwatch. So a chronograph watch. Edifice line is very affordable and for the price you get a very nice looking watch. That is true for all of the watches from Edifice line, not just the EFR 556. Casio usually plays with dial, and since this is a chronograph watch, you have accent to the stopwatch. Round sub-dial at 9 o'clock is very nice looking, with, in this case, a blue accent. And you can follow the blue accent on the dial elsewhere also. Dial looks packed, but in essence the watch is simple to read and to operate. Only drawback is adjusting your date manually, which can be done by rotating the crown only in one direction. And you will be doing it at the end of the month, which don't have 31 days. Speaking of watch crown, it is inscribed with Edifice logo and can be pulled out in steps or clicks. First one is for the time and the second click enables you to change the date by rotating the crown. Other two pushers are for the stopwatch operations. These operations and watch settings are explained in the later part of this video. As I've said many times before when reviewing Edifice watches, these are perfect beginner watches as well as daily timepieces. Durable yet cheap, easy to operate and eye-catching. You can choose from different watches from Edifice line and you will find the one that suits you, that is for sure. To recap, here are some bullet points. Water resistance is up to 10 bars of pressure. Battery is SR920SW and should last at least 3 years. Watch accuracy is plus or minus 30 seconds per month. Capacity of a stopwatch is 30 minutes. Now let's move on to the tutorial part of this video. Welcome to the tutorial part of this video, and before showing you how the stopwatch works, I'm gonna run through the watch markers. Over here you have your watch hour hand, your minute hand, you have your on the upper sub-dial, this is the 24-hour hand with the appropriate dial. This over here is your stopwatch minute hand. Over here you have your stopwatch second hand, and this is obviously the date window. Now let's run through the stopwatch mode. The stopwatch measures elapsed time in 1 second increments up to 29 minutes and 59 seconds. Let me show you how to measure the elapsed time. To engage the stopwatch, press the upper right button, and now you have engaged your stopwatch and your seconds are counting over here. Press the same button to stop it, resume it, stop it, and lower right button to reset the value. How to measure the split time? Press the upper button to start it, press the lower right button to stop it, or to split it in this case, split release the same button, and you saw the hand jump. Press the upper button to stop it, and reset using the lower button. How to measure the two finishes? Press the upper button to start it, press lower button to split it. First runner finishes, display time of first runner. Upper button to stop it, second runner finishes, split release with the lower right button, and the same button to reset the value. Those are the basics of a stopwatch on this watch. How to set your time and date on the Casio Edifice EFR 556. Whilst your watch is in the standard mode or showing the time and date, and your crown is flush with the case, pull the crown to the second click, so all the way out, and the second hand has stopped, which means that you are in the position of setting your time. Now be aware that you should pull the crown out whilst your watch's second hand is exactly at 12 o'clock. And basically you are now in the position of rotating your watch hands or your crown and adjusting your time. Once you've set your time, simply push the crown back in and the second hand should continue to move through the dial. How to set your date over here. Currently it's showing the number 19. Well, again the crown, but this time pull it to the first click. As you can see, it's just not flush with the case again. Now rotate the crown, so towards you in this case, and as you can see, I'm changing the date. I'm gonna get it back to number 19 because it is the 19th. Let me see if I can rotate it back clockwise. No, just in this direction. So basically you have to rotate it in one direction to get it to your exact date. And there it is. Once you're finished, simply push the crown back in until it's flush with the case and the crown guards.